Okay, so this is part two of the equations conversation. And I was listening to the part one, and something escaped me. First of all, a correction. I don't put my efforts the towards magic. I put my awareness towards magic. That's the only thing. And it's not even that I put my awareness, it just comes to my awareness. It's just something that is constantly occurring within me. I don't intentionally do anything, it just happens because I know of it. So I just keep noticing left and right. That's all that goes on. And this is how I ride the wave of magic. But then what happens is that when I notice something, what is it that I'm noticing? I'm noticing my old patterns that would dilute the equation of magic or negate them altogether, the experience of magic. And I do see the truth immediately as well, because once you see the illusion, you also see the truth. And the truth that comes up is the new factor to be placed into the equation. You know, maybe someday I'll have the inclination to give an example, but no, I'm not up for that. So I wanted to make that correction because I said that I put all my efforts towards the magic, and I don't do that at all. I just get the awareness, and then I submit myself to the truth that emerges from that awareness. And that's fucking hard. It takes a lot of guts, a lot of everything to go through that, because sometimes, not sometimes, many times, that truth is so against the grain. It's just so scary because it's so against what you were taught and conditioned and like what you believe the most. But don't forget that all beliefs are lies. All beliefs are lies, because beliefs are things that go onto your mind space. They are not truth. Truth is what comes, what is of you. Okay, so not going down that rabbit hole. So another thing that I wanted to say is that I just saw this. So my friend was talking about, she like mentioned this to kind of clarify something on one of her videos, but she didn't explore it at that moment. But I grabbed that brilliant take on what is a magical life. How you do it is through this magical math equation that guarantees you magic. Okay, but what I saw just now after I did the part one is that magic is much better than math, because when you do an equation, many times you can predict what the result is, right? So an equation of 5 plus 5 plus 2, hello, we know what's that equal to. Like, that young kid might not know because it's new to him, but even a magical equation, even a math equation can have no magic at all. So even the very concept of a math equation can be diluting the actual incredible experience of the magical equation. So it's actually something that I didn't see before. So a math equation can be boring because you already know what the outcome is. You know, that's what I'm saying. A math equation can be something that you already know. It's predictable in the sense that we know what it's going to read on the other side of that equal sign. So 5 plus 5 plus 2, we know it's 12. However, the math equation of magic, it's for certain magic, it's predictably going to give you the experience, the elevated experience of magic, but you don't never know what it is. It's never repeatable. Never. It's so you never know what it's going to be. So you might create a math equation of 5 plus 5 plus 2 equals 12, but this is not possible in magic. It's never repeatable. You can never use the same elements of the equation to guarantee the same outcome. That does not exist in magic. Okay, so I wanted to correct that in this part too. Bye.